Ka Jingkynnoh persya yo Symbud Myntri Rangbah ke Jelau ba snyo bahalang kalong Kaba Khlem Nongrim bat ke bamdon Nongrim hae ru ha ke kerdan jong long yalam ong yakum kite kiktien. Laong Myntri Rangbah ke Jelau Conrad ke sangma. Kane ke Jingkynnoh Kaba Khlem Nongrim ne Khlem don kisaki satar kalong ke Kaba umla ban pediang unong keno ba ya dei bat ke kam drop kalong persya ya ke imlang salang bat kalong persya ya keri baro. Na kalian ke sarkar kalai Symbud kilat kelinti banyak kun persya ya kene ke jingsniu bat ke sarkar kadang penmi su ya ki rukom trekam ban pentikna ba enla ban ya kun persya ya drop. Laong ba ke sarkar kan sa penmi ya ke jingtha badon ya ki komiti habaro ki distrik ban kentup lang ya ki nong penyaj nong ban ya kun persya ya drop ha ke jela bat ki dong. Kene ke komiti kan umlong tang ban ya kun persya ya udrop Henry kin petru ya ke jing pentrekam ya ke MRSSA pan pe ya ke jing kho jing suba pat kumju habaya day bat ke umbam umdi. Kene ke komiti kan sang shwana shlong jawai batura namar ke jing kun persya ya udrop ke thong ke ba hakmat jong ke sarkar ke Jingkynnoh kalong ke bamdon Nongrim ba kalong ke basnyosi bakin keno ya kiwe kumne.
Number one, I think these look like more of desperate statements that are being made by individuals. We have made it very clear, and all the MLAs, in fact, who have merged into the National People's Party have made it very clear that they are working for development. They have come into the government with expectation that there will be development work that will be taking place in their constituencies and the people of their constituency will benefit. So we are very, very clear about that aspect. Regarding the allegations, as I said, that are made are completely baseless. One can make any allegations, and it's very unfortunate that responsible leaders at that level could make such statements without any basis or any kind of facts is something that is really, really unfortunate. And a strong allegation like that individuals are involved in drugs, which is, I said that not just completely wrong in terms of our society, but it is anti-national in its in entirety, and the kind of effect and impact it has, the amount of work that we have done to ensure that we are curtailing and we are ensuring that we are able to capture, pick up people and stop the entire flow of drugs. A lot of efforts have gone in, and you've seen it in the last 3 years, the amount of work that has been put into by the government to control this entire scenario. And more will be done in the coming days. In fact, we have just notified a committee that will be headed by ADCs in different districts, including Shillong, where we will have members from different localities also part of it, headmans and Rangbah and development committees and so on and so forth. And the mandate will be to not just look at the drugs issue within localities, but also monitor the implementation of MRSSA, also look into the aspects of cleanliness in a particular locality, and also water related issues. So we are coming up with a committee at the district level, especially the headquarters of each district, starting with Shillong, Tura and Jawai, which will look at these aspects, including the aspect of drugs also, rehabilitation and other aspects, because this is a menace that we all have to work together to fight. So therefore, this is a completely baseless, and it's very unfortunate that that such leaders at that stature would stoop down to that kind of a level and make such allegations against other leaders. It's very unfortunate.
So the opposition has also alleged that the NPP is not does not trust its own MLAs. That's why they have to poach. Like recently, 3 MLAs from Congress had to join the NPP. What do you have to say?
No, I guess those MLAs don't trust their own political party. That's that point. And that's why they came into the NPP, because they trust and they believe. And it is because of the testimony that the other MLAs of the NPP and of the government have mentioned of how this government is working, that has convinced these MLAs, made them believe that yes, if we are part of the NPP, if we are part of this government, then we will actually be able to fulfill the commitments that we have made to our people and lead to the overall development of their constituencies. And that is the faith and trust with which they have come in. And that has happened because the MLAs within the NPP have shown a very positive response to their desire to come in. When they heard the testimony of how their constituencies are moving forward, they came in. If there was a problem within the NPP, if there was a situation where the NPP MLAs could not be trusted, I don't think those MLAs would have wanted to come into the NPP. So I think it's completely the opposite. The MLAs concerned had issues or whatever concerns within their own political party. And number two, they have clearly realized that NPP and this government is working positively for the people, and they would like to be part of this growth story, and they would like to see that their constituency and their people are also benefited from the entire growth story of what we're seeing in this government.